What is up, guys? It's Cubers Online, and today I'm very excited to be bringing you an unboxing. So let's get this box open, this package open. It's not really a box, but it is exciting. So it looks like right away we have a shipping receipt. Oh, no. I really hope. Did they just put a bunch of boxes in? No, they didn't. Okay, that's good. I was thinking that they just put a bunch of packages inside this one package. But thankfully they didn't, because that would be a pain. So anyway, first up, we have the Space Mat. The Qiyi MS 4x4. The X-Man Wingy Cube. The Qiyi Master Morphix. The packaging is a little beat up, but that's alright. I don't usually keep boxes. And last up, the X-Man Bell Pyraminx V2. And I believe that is all. There's also a Master Morphix pamphlet. I probably won't need that. So, I think we should start off with the mat, just because that way we'll have a nice background. What's this? Oh, it's just packaging. Oh wow, this is bigger than I was expecting. It's a little wrinkly just because it's been rolled up. But yeah, this will make a nice background. I think it's in frame. Yeah, it's pretty in frame. That's good. So these knobs are for holding a timer that we just put on like so. And so then we have a nice mat to protect our cubes when we drop them so that they don't get damaged. These are used a lot in competitions. So let's see, what would we start off with? I think that we're going to go least expensive to most expensive here. Alright, so we're going to start off with the Qiyi Master Morphix. I am very excited about it. Some weird packaging. Yeah, wow. This is a little smaller than I was expecting. But in case you don't really know what a Master Morphix is, it's a 3x3. So, it's kind of like an Axis cube. So, this is an Axis cube. It's a 3x3, but it kind of turns on this face. So, you see you have the centerpiece right here. You can tell that because you can take off the center cap. And then you've got the cross, and then the four corners. That's kind of like what this Master Morphix is. It turns like this. And you see it's got the centerpiece and then the corners. I mean the edges and the corners. And so this face right here is like this face on a 3x3. But I think you can get some weird corner parity. So hopefully we won't get this. I'll do a solve with this later. But yeah, so let's just do some turning. Okay, first off, it feels a little dry. But other than that, I think it just needs to be broken in a little bit. But I think, yeah, I'm very impressed with this cube. It is not a cube, it's a pyramid. But anyway, I'm going to get that out of the way just so that it's not blocking my hands. So yeah, I really like this. I'm going to give this cube, this puzzle, a scramble. It can also shapeshift. I can figure out how to turn this. This is weird. Oh, there we go. Okay, wow, this is starting to get kind of weird. It's kind of hard to turn, kind of like the Axis cube, just because you don't know where to turn it. But then you kind of figure it out once you can figure out, like, the basics of the cube, like how it turns. Then it's a little more easy to turn it. Wow, I really like this. Okay, I'll do a solve at the end of the video of this. Next up, we have the Qiyi MS 4x4. This came out a while ago, and I remember ever since it came out I really wanted it, but I just never got it. And so it's got some plastic on here that we need to get off. I must say I'm very impressed with this container. I am definitely going to keep it. I usually don't keep packaging, but I sometimes will if it's like a nice box. Like I'll probably keep this Pyraminx box just because it's really nice. From my bulk, I have the box. Why does this plastic keep sticking to me? I am not enjoying this plastic very much. Ah! Is it off? Oh, it's got some left on the top here. And the front. This is really annoying to try and get off. But I think we have it. Yep, that's all of it. So now it's time to open. Okay, I'm confused. What in the world? There we go. I hope I didn't just break it. Alright, so we have the cube. Inside we have this pamphlet, but I won't need that because I already know how to solve it. And this box does come out, but I'm just going to keep it in for display purposes. Or I might just like do like that. That's also pretty cool. But I'll probably just keep it inside here. Looks like that's all we have for the puzzle. Not very typical Qiyi boxing. But that's alright. And you know something? I just realized this. But all of this is from Qiyi because I believe the X-Man is from Qiyi. It looks like Qiyi packaging. So yeah, all these puzzles here are from Qiyi. That's cool. I really like Qiyi puzzles, so that's nice. Alright, so this is feeling a little bit like the normal Qiyi Pyraminx, 4x4 that I have. But yeah, it feels a little smaller. It feels very nice. It has a very nice finish on it. So let's do some first turns. Oh wow, I really like this. The magnets aren't very strong, but that's alright. But this is a very nice turning puzzle. The wide layers are a little not so well. Let's try. Okay, it's a 4x4. It's not doing very well corner cutting. It does a little bit though, and that's alright. But wow, I am very impressed with this. This turns very well. Yes, this is very nice. I'll give this a scramble real quick, and then we'll also do a solve of this at the end of the video. Hopefully on the Master Morphix we don't get any parity. I'll get this out of here. This isn't part of the unboxing. I've already owned that cube. I really like the shades on this too. This is very nice looking shades. So now let's get on to this cube. The box is a little heavy. See, we've got a cube pamphlet. See how many pamphlets we can collect today. And it comes in this very nice box. Definitely will be keeping the box. Alright. Wow. This is a concave cube, meaning that it's kind of like, it's hard to explain, but you guys can see it. It comes with this removable logo sticker. I may or may not remove that. But yeah, I really like the feel of this cube. It's got some very similar color shades to the bulk that I really like. The red and blue are a little dark. The yellows are slightly different. I'm not sure if you can tell on camera. The greens are about the same. The oranges are. I know the blues and the reds are. And white is white. So yeah, let's do some first turns. Okay, the magnets are a little strong. Yeah, it's feeling a little dry, but I feel like I might just need to break it in a little, maybe give it some lube. But yeah, I'm really liking this. I'm not very good at Scoob either, so That's not really helping. But this might help me get more into this cube, just having a nice cube. So I'll put this back in the container right now so we can finish up this unboxing. I'll get some of this packaging out of the way. I really like this mat too. It's got like a little astronaut with a cube, a satellite. I'm guessing that's the moon. Then a little spaceship. Clouds. I didn't know there were clouds in space. But it does kind of add to the effect of the mat. And now for the last puzzle, we have the X-Man Bell Pyraminx V2. So, I think I'm opening this wrong. Oh, there we go. Wow, I really like that. That is a very nice packaging. So, it comes with this little screwdriver, I believe. I think that's what this is. For adjusting the magnets. Not sure why this comes out. That's kind of strange. But it looks like... Oh, wow. That's cool. The back comes out to have a bunch more accessories. That is really cool. I was not expecting that. Let's see if I can get it back in. I might use this for tensioning other cubes too. Oh. There's one that's still in here. Oh, no, it's not stuck in there. It's just... Wow, that is a very nice screwdriver. So now on to the Pyraminx. We've also got some more plastic, some extra magnets, and some cards. Qiyi, very into the cards pamphlet. Won't need that. But yeah, and here is the puzzle. Wow, this is looking really nice. It's looking a lot better than I thought. I really like the shades. And you can kind of see the white internals. That's also pretty cool. The logo sticker is not a sticker. It is not removable. But yeah, these tips. I kind of like that sound that the tips make. The tips have a little bit of magnets. But they don't really need magnets because it's pretty easy to keep them in place. But yeah, this is very effortless turning. I do not think we can take off the tips like most Pyraminxes. So yeah, let's do some first turns. Oh wow, I really like that. That's very nice. The magnets they're a little strong, but I kind of like them. I believe you can adjust them using the little tool. And so it's kind of hard to explain, but like you turn this little knob and then the magnets go up and down according to it. So I will play a little bit around with that later. Not sure what these other tools in it are for. This is a strange looking tool. It's got a little flathead screwdriver and a little Phillips head screwdriver. So I'm hoping that those can work with other cubes than just this one, because that'd be very handy for tensioning cubes. I think I'm putting this in right. No, I'm not putting it in right. Kind of a pain to put in correctly. There we go. It has a nice little magnetic click when it goes in correctly. But yeah, I really like this puzzle. It feels really nice. The turning is nice and effortless. I'm not used to that because my Pyraminx isn't very effortless. I might need to tighten it a little. Just play around with the tensioning and the magnets, seeing what I like. But yeah, this is some very nice puzzles we have by Qiyi. So I'm going to finish scrambling these and we'll do a solve on the new mat with all of them. Yeah, I really like this Pyraminx. It feels slightly dry, but I just think I need to break some of the lube in. That it's got lube in it. So the Pyraminx is all scrambled. Time for the cube. If I can open this container. Alright, so we've got these all scrambled. Let's put in the mat. And let's start this all up. Alright, so I got 2 minutes and 40 seconds on all these three things, which I think is pretty good, considering I'm pretty out of practice with 4x4, and I don't really practice Qiyi and Pyraminx that much. But I think I'm going to do a separate time-lapse for the Master Morphics without a timer, just because I've never even seen one in, like, up close in real life. So I think I'm just going to do that by itself without a timer. Well, I got most of the cube solved, but then I realized that only these two corner pieces were swapped, and so that means that we have a hidden parity, which really stinks on the first solve, but I will figure out how to get it solved, and maybe in the future do a tutorial on it. So comment below if you want to win the comment of the week, and if you want me to do a 4x4 tutorial, be sure to comment that too, and I'll see you guys next time.